G'day and welcome to one of my happy places up on the Goulburn River. And I'm up here with the pod Kwik Kamper 3 and a couple of friends. We've just cooked some snags, onions and sauce in fresh bread on the barbie for lunch and having a ripper little day on the river. But having a ripper little camper to go with us as well. They've made over 3,000 trailers over 10 years, so they're a well-proven product. And one big reason is their weight. This entire setup, about 400 kilos. You can tow it with your little Subaru, you can tow it with your Corolla, you can go anywhere with it. But more importantly as well, to a lot of people in the camper trailer market, if you want to go off-road, it's not going to drag you down. And you've got a 3-stage setup for an overnighter. Just pop the tent open, in you crawl, nice and easy. You've got basically a rooftop tent that folds over into a soft floor, so you've got some room to keep all your gear out of the elements when things go hard. And if you want the annex for an extended stay, you can put that up too. The whole thing's really quick and easy. You're camping with the whole lot up in under half an hour without a problem. And I got to tell you, all round, I think this camp is just terrific. Very simple little kitchen to it, plenty of storage, good tent, nice, lightweight, but tough trailer to get you out enjoying the outdoors.